Oh shoot! I might put this on Facebook.
Put one on Facebook.
It's a fat kid.
Don't put any of those videos online.
Why not, Julian? You're gonna get a lot of hits. You get a penny for every view. You hate me?
Yeah.
I didn't break him though.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
There was a fine for yourself.
Julian, you can't just go and blame something like that on me.
Like Green just goes in there every once in a while.
Is that bad?
Yes, it's not.
But it's what?
I can't really use this.
Here, try to find the green